Spending 200,000 RMB to upgrade and restore this 2010 Lexus LX570, which served faithfully on construction sites, starting with a pre-inspection of the exterior, interior, chassis, and engine. The tie rod bushings are rotted, the left control arm bushing. Look at this control arm, it's severely damaged. Look at the steering gear, the oil. It's still leaking. The high-pressure steering lines and the shock absorbers are also leaking. Extremely badly. Look at the state of this steering fluid. The transmission mounts have collapsed. The KDSS and link bushings are rotted too. Same for the rear right side. The same. The rear trailing arms, both long and short, have aged bushings. See, they're collapsed. The chassis body mounts can only be inspected after disassembly. The brake pads are worn very thin. They were already heavily worn. After confirming with the owner, engine overhaul, CHASSIS repair, and an exterior upgrade to look like this. Like this and this. Enough talk, let's start stripping down the old interior. The interior is completely gutted. The one-to-one replica of the new model interior has arrived. Next, we separate the body from the frame for the engine and chassis overhaul. The engine valve cover has serious oil seepage. The transmission and transfer case are okay, no signs of leaks. The chassis frame has a lot of mud, but doesn't look rusted through. Inside, there's still some rust debris. Peering into the intake port, you can see heavy carbon and oil buildup from burning oil. Look at this panel, it's severely aged. The carbon buildup on the pistons is extreme. Look here, it's literally flaking off. The timing chain guide has cracked and was stuck inside the oil pan. Look, the third oil ring is seized. See, it won't move even when forced. It's reached the end of its life. Anything else? The carbon on the piston crowns is too heavy. It's making it hard to get the rings out. You can see slight scoring on the removed bearing shells. Installing new cylinder sleeves. The timing chain has been replaced, the guides, and these sprockets have all been replaced as well. The 397 coating parts is all ready. The 397 coating is applied. Chassis and engine repairs are done. Now for the exterior facelift. The front and rear conversion is complete, stripped inside and out for a blue pearl water-based paint job. The frame is done. Must apply underbody armor paint for rust prevention. Everything is brand new inside and out. All the LCD instruments and the center console assembly. The new style integrates all controls into one system. Road test complete. Wheel alignment and chassis check finished. Let's see the result after 2 months.